What is the secret to chewy boba at pop-up drink stands? The secret to chewy boba is using the right type of tapioca starch and cooking it properly to achieve the perfect texture. Boba pearls are made from tapioca starch, which comes from the cassava root. The chewy texture comes from a balance between the starch and water when the boba is cooked. When you boil the pearls, the starch gelatinizes, making them soft but still chewy on the inside. A key trick many pop-up stands use is adding brown sugar or caramel during or after cooking to give the boba a nice flavor and to keep them from sticking together. Another lesser-known tip is that resting the cooked pearls in a sugar syrup bath helps keep them moist and chewy longer. If the boba is undercooked, it will be hard and chalky, but if overcooked, it becomes mushy and loses that chewiness. The size of the pearls also matters. Smaller ones cook faster and can become chewy more easily, while bigger pearls need more precise timing. Each step from the starch quality, water ratio, cooking time, and resting process affects how chewy and tasty the boba turns out. Many people think that just boiling the boba until they float means they are done, but this often leads to undercooked pearls that are tough to chew. It's important to test a pearl by biting into it. Another common mistake is not soaking the boba in sugar syrup after cooking, which causes them to dry out or stick together quickly. Lastly, some think adding cold water after boiling helps, but it actually cools down the pearls too fast and can make them lose their chewiness. To avoid these problems, always cook the boba for the recommended time, soak them in sugar syrup immediately after draining, and serve them while still fresh for the best texture. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JawBitTier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts or contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.